guys, it's Sarah. So I picked up a couple of Popmart items. So some of the newer releases, such as the Pop Bean Pajama Party and the Gifts for You, I'm guessing storybook set. Pretty much wanted to show you guys what I got this time, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. So the new Gifts for You storybook, I actually got these from the Pop now, so I already know what's in there, but it's just for you guys to find out. So these are the choices on the back here of all the different types of floral designs that they have. So these ones are gorgeous. I just had to pick them up. Not sure where I'm going to put them since they take up a lot of space, as you can see here, because they unfold from, I believe, like a storybook. So yeah, let's open her up. What you guys think I'm gonna get? You can't really feel these either because they're all in like a book shape, so there's no way to find out just from squeezing it. There it is. So the first one we got is, oh, it's a lot of packaging. Sweet Bean. So this one is Sweet Bean. Which flower is this actually? Does it say? It's a violet. So this is the violet flower. You can take a look. The book inside, they have some really cute wording in here. And you can fold it up. Isn't this the cutest? It's so pretty and it's so cute at the same time. I don't know where they come up with these ideas, but it's amazing. Oh, that's Sweet Bean. The next one. It's pink. Who do you guys think it is? It's Demu. So happy every day. Oh, that's cute. That's Demu. Oh. It's a lot of protection on Demu. So there he is with his friends. And then this one, oh, so this one comes as a music sheet. Let's see, and Demu is, which flower are you? You are the tulip. Isn't it pretty? It's playing little music. So gorgeous. This set is just honestly so gorgeous. Yeah. And fold it up. Front and the back. And that's Demu. Look how pretty the colors are together too. All right, last one. Who guys think I'm gonna get as my last one? Oh, come on. And the last one is green. Who's green, I wonder? It's Labubu. Oh, Labubu and all her friends. So she is actually the dandelion, which is really cute because dandelions, when they puff up, it's actually one of the funnest things to do when you were a kid, right? So just blowing on the seeds. But yeah, this is the Boo Boo. It's all her friends. The back and the front. These colors are gorgeous. This pastel colors. I was worried because they looked a little bold on the site, but actually now that I see them in person, they're really pretty. Kind of should have gotten the whole set. And the cards, they're like postcards. So there's Sleeping, there's Labubu, and there's Demu. And the back is Gifts for You. Isn't it so pretty? It's like, wow, they really outdone themselves this time, especially with the mechanics. So that's the new Popmart Gifts for You series. Next up, we have the Pop Beans. So these are, for those who don't know what beans are, they're basically a miniature version of the figures, or little small minis, I guess you could call them. So these ones come with a case, I believe, along with the bean. Oh, they don't have the whole character set. But yeah, let's open it up and see who we get. I'm excited. I'm hoping for Labubu and Demu, Skull Panda, and Pucky. Those are like some of my favorite IPs from Popmart. I have 6 of them, so hopefully the chances are good. Let's see. I don't think these comes with any other things. There shouldn't be any spoilers. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, more packaging. Who is this? It's Crybaby! How do I open this? Let's see. We're going to discover. Oh, there we go. So it's a front open. Here is the pajama Crybaby. Oh, and it's flocked. You can see it. It's very fuzzy. Very cute. Has a puppy there as well on her back. So that's our first one. The case is so cute. It's nice and small, fits your beans. And then they are, I believe, stackable too. Who's our next one? Who will it be? It is, oh, I'm probably going to butcher your name. Zyga? Is it puppy? Kitty? Goat? Come on out. You are I believe a goat. So, here it is. So cute. They're so cute. Put you in there. Stack you up. Oh, they look so good together. All right, next one. I think we'll get any of the ones I mentioned. Let's see, let's see. Who did we get? You are. Oh, is this another Zyga? No. Are you? I think so. I think it's another Zyga. I'm not too familiar with the IP, so correct me if I'm wrong. But once again, it is flocked. It's a puppy, I believe. Kind of reminds me of Pluto. There's another puppy on the bottom there. This box had a tough time during his travels. You can see a little bit smooshed. Come on out. Let's see who we get. Oh, come on. This can be a Demu or Skull Panda or Labubu. Who are you? You are Kubo? I believe it's Kubo. Am I putting these upside down? Or is this supposed to be upside, right side up? I'm not sure. I'm putting it this way because I like the logo on the top. But this is a bear this time, also flocked. So I think they're all flocked. Wait, yeah, I believe this is Kubo. So cute. Oh my gosh. These are just amazing. Oh, I guess he doesn't want to face us. That's fine. And all right, come on, guys. One of the 4 IPs I mentioned. These boxes are really hard to open. Is it because they're small? I wonder if they're small. It's so hard to open. This is no. We got a dupe, guys. So, same one, Kubo Bear. I'm gonna put you back into the bag and back into the box. Off you go to another home. And then the last one. All right. Don't be a dupe. And please be one of the 4 IPs I mentioned. Not getting desperate. Might be getting desperate. Who are we gonna get? I'm destroying these boxes. Alright. Last one. What will it be? Oh no, another dupe! Guys, we got 2 dupes. What's going on? No. Back into the box you go. The box I destroyed. So we technically only got 4. I mean, that's still pretty good. These don't exactly come with cards, but they come with a little brochure to show you what kind of possible items you could get. Man, what did the Labubu or the Demu? Westcon Panda is also cute. But guess today not my lucky day, but that's okay. To be honest, Crybabies win. Can't go wrong with Crybaby. The other 2, unfortunately, I'm not too familiar with the IP, so they're cute. If you guys like Zyga and Kubo, these ones are more for you guys. Yeah, let's put you over here. And then the last one we're going to do is Pucky. All right, so been looking everywhere for this. My local shops don't have them yet, so I had to order them online. So the box is a little had an adventure. You can probably see he didn't really stayed in good condition, but that's okay because what's important is the inside. Now, the colors. I really want the purple, mainly because I have a purple bag, so I want a purple one to match it. The pink one's also cute too, but I really want the secret. Guys, the cheerleading Pucky is adorable. So let's see. Let's see if we'll manifest the secret. I mean, we're not having so good luck with the polls from the IPs I wanted, so hopefully the blind box gods will bless me with one of the ones I want. Oh no, I don't want to see that. We are going to drop that and not look at it. And then here we go. Oh, I'm scared. I hope I get something good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's an orange one. This is actually really cute too. Okay, I've been dying to do. Yes, the bubble. Guys, it's so cute. So this is the Pucky Beanie Bubble Up. It's honestly, this is just such a fidget toy, but it is so cute. Hopefully you guys get your one for yourself too, so that way you can play with me. But yeah, so that's all we have for today. Hopefully you guys find it enjoyable. We do have some other ones coming up, so hopefully you can look forward to the next video. All right, thanks for checking in, and hopefully you enjoyed today's Popmart's video. All right, take care. Bye bye.